mwanasiasa korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira sireta Abednego Maina nigasegetire abasaye gwesokia na kwerikia asobonge buna abakichikura kakwana litukulia lero ime yomochio Nyamira Maina boigo nigabolia barai gotiga gutumika abasaye bube ase boigo nyaraka bakubolia abasaye na barabu konyaka bagwetanga korwa aso gutumika bube na bana siasa.
Remind the youths that the time has come for us to make sure that we have change in the leadership in our country, and the only way we can have change is for us the youths to stand up, tuende tushike tufanye registration, voter registration, because we know that we have the numbers, but our numbers don't show when it comes to the day of election. And that's why today I'm reminding all the youths. We have talked online, we have demonstrated, and we have seen how the leadership of this country has decided to divide us. And now it's time for us to go and show them that our numbers matters. And for ourselves to take over the leadership of this country, we must rise up, register as voters, and we remind the IBC to make sure that they have enough staffs all over the locations where people need to register as voters. And we want to remind all the politicians also to facilitate the youths so that they can be able to register. The time is gone whereby our leaders wanachukua the youths, wanawapea weapons to fight, wanawapea alcohol to drink, and when the day comes for the voting, we recycle the same leaders. I'm one of the aspirants, a young aspirant from Nyamira County for the seat of governor. And that's why I'm encouraging all the youths, if you want to enter into politics, nothing should stop you. No intimidation. And for us to have the weapon, the only weapon we have is for us to register as voters. There is we can see there is this trend of goonism that has come in our country, whereby the politicians, they buy the youths, give them alcohol so that they can attack the opponents. We are sending a very bad example. It's time for us to stop that goonism. And even the police, the government, it's abnormal. It's absurd to see that so long as a politician can afford to buy youths, give them alcohol, give them money, so we can allow this goonism to take over our country. It's sending a very bad example. We are heading to a general election where we are going to have emotions, where we are going to have people, opposing each other. It's possible for us to have peaceful election